Welcome to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. I found an amazing power solution, very easy to set up, and was the answer to the problems that I was having. But if you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech. You can get a discount on this or any other products from LiTime. Use the links in the comments or description to get over to this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Everybody else who doesn't know about this battery and wants to learn a little bit more, I'm about to tell you about one of the coolest batteries that you can get from LiTime. Now, this is a huge battery, and I want to stress the fact that you can get up to 94 kilowatt hours of power, and you can also upgrade to 48 volts with this and run your solar inverter chargers and different things like that that run on 48 volt system. Very versatile battery, and it is enormous. Basically, this is one of the biggest battery setups that you can get. So if you're serious about getting a lot of backup power, this is the way to go. If you want to do it in an easy and efficient installation way, then this is the way to go, because these are huge batteries all in one case. You do not need to hook multiple 12 volts to get 460 amps. It is all in one battery, and I tell you, 460 amps is a lot of power. It is amazing to see this all into one, and it is so convenient. I used to run a lot of 12 volt battery banks, but after a while it got real messy. I love having one big old battery, everything contained in one unit, and one BMS taking care of the entire situation. Not only is it important to get a big battery like this because it's got a lot of battery storage, but a lot of these inverters cannot handle a high output with a small battery. So no matter how many little 12 volt batteries you got, you're just not gonna get huge amount of output. You're still only gonna be able to put out 100 amps or so. You get a bigger battery like this, it's got 250 amp intelligent BMS built in to keep everything safe up to 250 amps. That's a lot of power you can put out on this battery. So keep that in mind. This is 5,888 watts of reliable, eco-friendly energy storage, 400 amp hour high capacity. This is EV grade A lithium iron phosphate cells. These are going to last a very long time for you. Built with these LFP battery cells, you get 4,000 plus cycles at 100% depth of discharge. You're getting 10 plus years lifespan. I believe these have a 5-year warranty on them as well. Now, this is a system that's built in, a computer system that's going to keep an eye on this, going to make sure to protect you from over voltage, under voltage, overheating, overcurrent, short circuits, all kinds of things. And this battery is crazy. It can output at 250 amps continuously charging and discharging. So you can charge this battery up in about 2 hours, get a huge amount of power output on this. And you can even get 800 amps for 1 second if you need a boost. So this is a power monster. It can get a max load of 51.2 kilowatts out of it, which is insane. Taking a look at how you can upgrade this system, when you have one piece, you got 5,800 watt hour, or you can upgrade it all the way up to 94. Not only that, you can get up to 51,000 watts out of this. 51.2 kilowatts. You can get this by hooking multiple batteries up and get a continuous discharge or charge current of 1,000 amps. That is very impressive. But not only is this battery impressive, but you probably think this thing's got to weigh 200 pounds. Nope. This battery only weighs 86 pounds, and it is not very big. 20 inches by 10 by about 8. 64% lighter, 44% smaller than two 12 volt 200 amp hour lead acid batteries. That is a huge difference. This is going to be literally ideal for any situation: motorhomes, trailers, vans. You got the casing, which is very safe for salt spray and different things like that. Corrosion resistant, which is going to be good in your boats or off-grid setups, or even in your homes. It's going to be safer in your homes because this is not a lithium ion battery. This is a lithium iron phosphate battery. And of course, you can charge this various different ways, whether you want to hook it up to your solar system, charge it up quickly through your generator and use it throughout the day quietly, or you can hook it up through an AC or DC to DC charger. And LiTime is offering 5-year warranty on this. They do deliver everything safe. They got local warehouses, 24-hour service, and I've actually been working with LiTime and reviewing their batteries for like a couple of years now. I have unboxed and tested out multiple batteries on Adventure Tech 2.0. You guys go check that out if you want to see more detail. And every single battery, a lot of them are still running right now as we speak, and I haven't had any issues to report at all. And this baby is huge. It is one of the biggest batteries that you can get at 12 volt. It's a great solution if you got all these batteries, worried about getting all these different wires, making sure all the wires are crimped and everything's good, and all these circuit breakers and fuses. This is all built into one battery. So you don't have to worry about any of that. All you got to worry about is the wire straight from the battery to your inverter and chargers and things like that, and any circuit breakers for those. You don't have to worry about micromanaging this battery bank. There's a really good discount going on right now. You can use my promo code AdventureTech to get an additional discount. Use the links in the comments or the description. You can get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals.